Despite the fact that there are hundreds of alternatives, the SteelSeries Arctis 7 still persists as one of the best-selling game headsets. Could this be because the device corrects the weaknesses that consumers are expected to be standard in their devices? In this deep dive, we reveal how the Arctis 7 is literally built different. Stick around to find out. As gaming has improved, so has the need to have better and better peripherals and accessories. Your dad's old mouse just won't cut it anymore. Now, you need something with a laser tracker. The reason for this shift is competitive in nature. There's a lot of money to be made in gaming these days. In fact, the gaming industry is worth more than the music and movie industries combined. When a single tournament can change your life, who has the time to play with basic equipment? This explains why there's much demand for gaming engineered devices like mics, keyboards, monitors, and headsets. But are manufacturers able to keep up with this demand? It isn't really surprising that a vast number of gaming-related products on the market simply look cool. But when it comes to things like build, durability, and performance, these products are lacking. Let's now consider some of the typical problems that gaming headsets face. As we've mentioned, these affect the build, performance, durability, and even pricing. Before we do though, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. This way, you don't miss out on any of our awesome tech breakdowns. So, one of the main issues concerning gaming headsets is the build. Most manufacturers, in order to cut down on production costs, use cheap items to build these headsets. They settle for plastics, which can easily break and are not biodegradable. This makes the products have a very short shelf life, especially with heavy use. However, when it comes to the SteelSeries Arctis 7, this device is made out of an aluminum frame. This allows it to stay strong while maintaining a low weight. The earbuds are also made out of air-weave fabric, which seems like it sits between leather and velour in rigidity. Even though it's as tough as leather, it doesn't get as strong as leather. Okay, now let's talk about battery life. This is another parameter that matters a lot to gamers. After all, there's nothing more annoying than receiving a low battery notification from your headset while you're gaming. Imagine if you were at a critical stage of a Rainbow Six mission with your friends, and you had to stop to charge your headset. Most basic gaming headsets offer about 8 hours of battery life. However, for the SteelSeries Arctis 7, that figure is closer to 15 hours. Those 15 hours of battery life even depend on how hard you use your Arctis 7. If you use it sparingly, then you can stretch the battery life up to 24 hours. However, if you use it heavily and at max volume, you can even get up to 16 hours of battery life. You can finish your gaming missions, sleep, wake up, and play more missions without running out of battery life. Isn't that cool? Finally, let's talk about performance. Most basic headsets are really mediocre when it comes to sound. To the manufacturers of those products, audio quality means more volume. In addition to this, they really only present sound from two directions, left and right. With the SteelSeries Arctis 7, though, you have 360-degree reception of sound. When using it, it's like you've been fully immersed in the landscape of whatever media you're engaging with rather than listening from afar. When watching a movie, you can hear sounds coming from all directions. It's the same when playing a game. This gives you a significant advantage over those using basic headsets. Your hearing will be one of your best and most valuable senses. In the end, the SteelSeries Arctis 7 leaves very few bases to cover. It's not a perfect device, but it sure is hard to find any other gaming headset on the market which offers what it does. Just make sure you keep its $240 price in mind before you order. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out our other videos on the durability of the SteelSeries Arctis 7 and our honest review of the SteelSeries Arctis 7. This will give you an even better understanding of this headset. Until next time, have a good day. Catch you later. Bye.